Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are all having a lovely day or night wherever you are. I have been waiting to film this video for the longest time. My birthday was 10 days ago from today, and I've just been dying to film this video because I want to start using my gifts already. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is my second year filming this video. I will link the video from last year in my description box below in case you guys want to see that. I don't know if I'm like too close to the camera, but I can't seem to get the lighting better if I'm like far away. So I am just gonna go ahead and get started with this video. The first thing that I got was this camera from my brother. I feel like my brother is the only person in this world that I annoy with things that I want, because I don't allow anybody to even buy me like a piece of gum, but I feel like my brother, I'm always bugging him about things that I want, and I wanted this camera, so he got it for me. I actually had the Mini 8, but it was pink and I just didn't want it anymore. This is the one that he got me. He actually got this for me like a long time ago, but I just haven't been able to use it. And then from my friend Diana, she actually got me this really cute gift. She got me a really cute dainty ring. This is what it looks like. I actually don't know where to put this ring, because if I put it like on my pinky, I don't know, it's too big for my pinky. I think I'm gonna have to put it like on my ring finger, but on the other hand, because I'm not gonna wear that one there, of course. I actually got this one with her. Oh guys, don't mind that finger. My nail broke after my birthday party. I can't get this off. This is the ring that we actually got together a while ago. And this is the ring, oh my god. And this is the ring that she got me. Super cute. Don't mind my crooked fingers. That was super sweet of Diana. So Diana. I don't call her Diana. So moving on, from my sisters, they actually got me a little gift together. I got the Ole Henriksen face cream, so they actually both they divided the price between them and got me the eye cream. I seriously cannot live without eye cream. I could go without face cream, but under eye cream I just can't. And I've tried so many eye creams. I've tried the Estee Lauder, I've tried the Origins, the Kiehl's one, but of course those aren't cruelty free, and this brand is, so I am excited to try this one. And of course from Sephora I got the little like member gift. I was super upset because they just gave me this one, they didn't let me pick, and of course Glam Glow is not cruelty free, but whatever. Okay, so next, oh my god, I looked so like fresa. So next I got some Gucci glasses. They come with this little paper. I don't really know what this is. Maybe it's like the care thingamajiggy. I'm not sure, and I don't really care. And then they come with a little authenticity card, and there's like another paper inside there. This is like the new case. It's this navy velvet. And inside we have the glasses. And they also say like Gucci on top. And they come with their little cleaning cloth. And they come with a little Gucci pouch. So now to the glasses. This is what they look like. They have this green and red detail, and they do have like the B symbol for Gucci and the G's, of course. And this is what they look like on. I believe these are like the cat eye something. Guys, I am obsessed. I don't know if I like them more than I like my Tom Fords, but super cute. So next, from my parents, they actually spoiled me a lot this year, like a lot. They took me to the Tiffany store after my linguistics final, and they got me this gift. I had been wanting a card case holder for the longest time. I wanted either the Balenciaga or the Givenchy. I don't know if it's Givenchy or Givenchy. I've been corrected when saying both. But anyways, I wanted either one of those. But they were too pricey, and I told my parents I found this Tiffany card case holder, and that is what I got. Oh my god, I'm finally gonna open up like the box. So this is the box, and inside it comes in a little pouch. And this is what the card case holder looks like. It is extremely simple, but I just love minimalistic stuff. Like, I hate when things have too much going on, like crazy patterns or colors. I'm just a very simple kind of person. And from my parents, I also got some roses. They're like in the back. I wanted to show them, but they don't look as pretty as they used to. And I did get another bouquet of roses, which I loved. And I quickly wanted to show you guys. My parents hired this like group to sing in my birthday party, and that was seriously everything to me. They actually wanted to do that last year, but the people that they hired failed at them. They never showed up to my party, and my mom was like super upset, so she wanted to try again this year, and they actually did come to the party. But yes, that was like the best gifts ever. I had always wanted like somebody to bring me like, not serenata, well yeah, of course serenata, but like just someone to sing to me live. And I only like that kind of style. Like, I think they're called trios or like mariachi, that kind of style. So extremely happy about that. I am super lucky to have the parents that I have. They really spoiled me this year. Lastly, I have a few gifts from my cousins. One of them got me this like really cute socks, and then I got a bunch of like Victoria's Secret like beauty items, and I did go to Victoria's Secret to spoil myself a little bit, and I found this really cute set and I got it. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching what I got for my birthday. I am so blessed to have the life that I have and the people that I have in my life, and I don't want to get too emotional, but I just love everybody that took the time to say happy birthday to me and the people that are always there. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys have a great rest of the 2018 year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.